Let me show you a super simple side hustle you can do from home. Doesn't require you to create your own products, ship anything, hold any inventory. And the best part is it's completely free. And it works really well if you love Target. And maybe you love things about Target like home decor, bedding, seasonal finds, maybe beauty, maybe Kendra Scott jewelry. And today what I'm going to do is show you exactly how people are making extra money using Target products, enough to even pay their monthly bills and maybe even more. I'm going to show you step by step exactly, and I'm going to show you examples, and I'll just go over everything. If you're new here, my name is Kim, 54 years old, mom of 5, grandma to 1. Been laid off twice in the last 10 years alone. Definitely took a toll on my retirement, so I started to look into side hustles, and that's why I have this channel. So I help people find simple ways to make money online, especially if you're over 50 like me, and you want something simple. You don't want anything complicated, and you definitely don't want anything that's going to take a ton of time. Because let's be honest, if you still work a 9-to-5 job like myself, and you still value family time, you don't have time to spend hours and hours and hours on your computer after an 8-hour workday, right? Because the reality is a lot of stuff online feels like it was made for someone else. You know, someone in their 20s that have all the time in the world, all the energy in the world. But this, what I'm going to show you, is simple. Here's how this works. This is something called affiliate marketing. You simply share products that other people created, and when someone buys, you make a commission. And Target has an affiliate program where you can do exactly that. So again, you don't have to handle the product, you don't have to ship, you don't have to deal with customers, because Target does all that. You simply connect people with things that they already want. What you want to do, first thing you have to do is actually sign up for Target's affiliate marketing program. So what you want to do, go to Google and type in Target affiliate marketing program, or Target affiliate program, and you're going to come up with stuff. Now, the first thing that I found was, how hard is it to become a Target affiliate? It's quick, easy, and free. You create content with popular brands, deals, promos, and bring over 1 million products to life. Spread the word and cash in on every qualified purchase made through your link. And once you're accepted, they're going to send you a unique website that is tied directly to you. So when people make a purchase, like I said, you'll earn a commission. So this is great to do around Christmas time, because you can literally share your link with your friends and family and say, hey, if you're doing any Christmas shopping at Target, do you mind using my link? Because if they do, you'll get a commission, which I think is pretty cool. So you'll end up on this Target website called Partners. So partner with us. Recommend your Target finds or earn competitive commissions through our affiliate program. Quick sign up, opportunities for commission, and easy tracking links through Impact Drive your audience to your recommendation. So you will enjoy newsletters, promos, and deals each week to help you create amazing content. So there are 3 steps. Number 1, you sign up with an application. Number 2, you create content with popular brands, deals, promos, and then you earn up to 8% commission. If you make a $100 sale, you could earn up to $8 per sale, or per $100. And obviously, if you want to become a partner, you click apply now. So frequently asked questions, how does the program work? So when your visitors click through the Target website by your affiliate link, that visitor is tracked within a 7-day cookie window until they place an order. So what that means is, say on Sunday, they click on your affiliate link, but they do not buy. If they go into their browser and they simply type target.com, anytime within 7 days, because your affiliate link is cookied, you will still get a commission. Are there any fees? No, there's no charge. Now, what is important is you must read through the terms and conditions just to make sure you don't violate any of them. You especially want to take notice of any terms and conditions that talk about social media, because that's where you will be promoting these links. So social media posts must include appropriate hashtags as indicated above. So you can choose to promote your products on any social media site: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest too. And you have 2 ways to promote. You can create a social media profile. And you can specifically just talk about target products, which I'll show you an example in a second. Or you can choose a specific niche of items that Target sells. Maybe it's beauty, maybe it's jewelry, maybe it's camping, maybe it's clothes. And what you can do is, if you niche down, say, just on camping, and all you do is promote products from Target that have something to do with camping, what you can do is you can incorporate other stores in that as well. So maybe you like Target's camping items that you want to promote them, but maybe at Dick's Sporting Goods, you really love their Yeti coolers. So you can become an affiliate of Dick's Sporting Goods and sell their coolers or sell anything that you want. You can also become an affiliate of Walmart, and maybe you like their tents. And so what I'm saying is you can really niche down and just specifically talk about one specific niche like camping, but then be an affiliate of multiple different stores. Or you can do, just have a social media profile based on Target, and that is it, which is exactly what this person on Instagram is doing here. And it's working because she has 270,000 followers on Instagram. So all she's doing is going to Target and featuring products. So she takes a picture of an item and she has a little description. And she directs people to go to her link in her bio. So if people are interested in a specific product, they would go to her link. If they buy from her link, she receives a commission. Now here's an example of a YouTube channel, and she does this perfectly because what she's doing is driving to Target, and then what she'll do is feature specific products. And then what's super cool, or in the description of the video, she has a link to every single product that she is featuring. So she talks about makeup and skincare. So lipsticks, the mascara, the other lipstick, the cleanser. She has links to those specific items. And what I love about this, it is clear, it's easy, because what a lot of people do is if they're recommending, say, 10 different products in a video, what people will do is just send them to the Target website. Now, if you're just looking for a specific mascara and you're sent to the main page of Target, that means you actually have to search for the product. While that sounds simple to do, a lot of people won't take that extra effort of actually doing it. So if you give them a link, the link will directly direct them right to the product. All they have to do is click add to cart, check out, and you're done. And it makes it so super simple for someone to buy. So I just went to one of her links and it sent me right to the lipstick. So again, if I were to add this to the cart, check out, purchase, then this person will receive a commission, which I think is awesome. But I want to be honest and tell you that these affiliate commissions are pretty small. Because again, that lipstick, I can't remember how much it was, but maybe we'll just say it was $10 just to make the math easy. So if someone makes a purchase and she earns up to 8%, she made 80 cents. Now, what she is a genius for is in each video, she has all of these links. So the chances of someone purchasing more than one thing is pretty good. And this video got 37,000 views, which I think is pretty good. Well, it's very good. But you have to post a lot and you have to feature a lot of products if you want this to pay your bills. So you need a lot of volume, you need a lot of time, and you need to be consistent. Now, me personally, I'm thinking about retiring. So I didn't just want extra income just to pay the bills. I wanted something that actually grows. So I took this same idea, creating content, having a niche, helping people find things, and I connected it to something different, where instead of earning just a small commission, like 8%, I now earn 100% profit. So if you're sitting here thinking, ooh, I like this idea, but I want something that pays a little bit more, I totally understand that. Because maybe you're over 50 and you still work a 9 to 5 and you want to fund up your retirement, right? So let's just take the $100 example. If she sells $100 worth of product, she earns $8. So with what I'm doing, if I sell a $100 product, I earn $100. And in fact, most affiliate programs, you have to wait 30 days to get paid. If I make a sale, that $100 will be in my bank account the very next day. So there's no waiting 2 weeks to get paid like a job, and there's no waiting 30 days, which most affiliate marketing programs pay out. So if you want information on exactly what I'm doing step by step, and if you want to learn skills to be able to earn $100 a day, or maybe $300, all the way up to $1,400 a day, click on the link in the description below. And what this is going to do is show you exactly how this works, step by step, and how to turn this side hustle into something huge. Now, I'm going to be doing a series of these videos. So if there's another story you want me to feature, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this kind of content and you want to learn about more side hustles, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And again, don't forget to get the blueprint below to learn how you can earn 100% profit. And YouTube suggests that you want to watch this video next, so go ahead and give that a watch.